So if you're looking for a compact computer desk that you can easily move around your home, that's good for kids or adults, this is definitely worth looking at. Now I do appreciate the brand sending this to me, and when I took it out of the box, there weren't that many parts. It was pretty easy to put together. It took me right around 15 to 20 minutes to do that, and everything was labeled really well. And it also came with a couple extra little tools, a little wrench and a little Allen wrench, so I could go ahead and put this together. Now this is the black color. It does come in a couple of other colors. The top has got this nice wood grain look in here, and also if you spill anything on it, it's also water resistant, so you don't have to worry about it soaking into the wood. You just wipe it away. Now the tabletop itself is actually a pretty good size. It's about 31.5 inches in length, and then the width is about 15 3/4 inches. Now you can adjust the height of this anywhere from 28 up to 36 inches. Right now I have it set to right about 33, 34, and to adjust it, you're just going to loosen these knobs here and here on each side, and you can easily move it up or down. Now it does have two lower shelves. We've got a 5.5 inch width shelf up here, and then on the bottom we do have an 8-inch shelf. And you can see it better here on the back side. We have another board that lines up along the bottom shelf. That way if you're putting anything on the front here, it's not going to fall off easily. Now it does come with 4 casters. Each of them have a little lock here. You can just push down with your foot. That way you can make sure it doesn't move around. But other than that, it moves around real easily. I mean, this is carpet, so there is going to be some resistance on it, but it doesn't have a problem whatsoever. So the frame is actually pretty sturdy. So it's all metal frame, all welded. Right here we do have square tubing running around the bottom and up through the top. And then we also have round tubing right up here up front, and some larger tubing up here holding your desktop together. So what I've done is I've taken my laptop, it's a 14-inch, and put it on here just to give you a sense of the size of this. So as I've got my laptop up here, I've got plenty of room to put, I got a mouse over here, I could have a notepad over here on the left-hand side, or any other thing really. And I can easily reach down here to the bottom and put things also. So I love that I can put multiple things on here. I can move it around the house. I can sit here on my couch and work on this instead of typically taking my laptop and putting it actually on my lap, which is, it's fairly uncomfortable. So this definitely makes it more comfortable. So either I can use it, my grandkids can use this, whether it's in here, in the kitchen, in a bedroom. So that makes it very handy. I love that it didn't take long to put together. It's just nice and sturdy. All metal frame. We've got the casters, and I'm ready to go. Hope you found this review helpful.